How to fix display black and white in Moto G96. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option display. Now click on display and then click on dark theme. If you turn on your dark theme, then turn it off. After turn off your dark theme, then go back and scroll down and click on system and then click on reset options. Now here you can see the option reset app preferences. Now click on it and then click on reset apps. After reset the app preferences, then go back and click on erase all data and then click on erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After do factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.